500 guests, one buffet. Get this number wrong, and it collapses in 20 minutes. Get it right, and it runs like a 5-star hotel. In the next 8 minutes, you'll know exactly how 5-star hotels run buffets for 500 guests without chaos, delays, or food shortages. We've set up large-scale buffets across the UAE, serving thousands of guests, and this is the exact system professionals use. Before you touch a single table, lock these in. Wrong guest count? You run out of food. Unclear menu? Service slows down. Bottlenecks start here. No floor plan? Bottlenecks everywhere. A recipe for disaster. No power? Your buffet dies. A single failure can stop everything. Understaffed? Chaos. A system pushed to the limit. This is where professional events are won or quietly destroyed. Now here's the number almost everyone gets wrong. For 500 guests, you need 6 to 8 buffet stations. 1 station, disaster. 6 stations, flow. Anything less, and you've already failed before guests arrive. Your setup is only as strong as your equipment. Most people overspend on decor and underspend on flow. If your table shakes, guests don't trust your food. They don't just cook food, they absorb crowds. Flat table, basic. Layered table, luxury. People judge your event before they taste anything. But even with perfect equipment, most setups still fail. Because layout controls everything. This is what professionals call a continuous flow loop. This creates constant movement. No dead zones, no traffic jams. This is the difference between catering and engineered service. Desserts at the entrance are instant blockage. Avoid this at all costs. Spacing 1.5 to 2 meters per station, essential for flow. Bonus, parallel lines draw double capacity. This is where most events lose money or lose reputation. Running out of food is visible. Over-ordering is invisible, but just as expensive. Here's a benchmark for 500 guests. Mains 125 kilos, rice and pasta 75 kilos, salads 50 kilo. But here's what nobody tells you. Guests don't eat everything equally. 80% of consumption comes from 20% of your menu. Bread, 1,000 pieces. Desserts, 75 kilos. Beverages, 250 liters. Add a 10-15% buffer. Never let trays drop below 1/3 full. You can have great food, it can still look average. Guests don't remember what they ate. They remember what it looked like. Luxury isn't expensive, it's controlled. Height, layer everything. Color, make it intentional. Labels, faster decisions. Cleanliness, non-negotiable. Lighting, instant upgrade. Insider tip, smaller trays, more refills, always looks fresh. At minute 18 of a 500 guest event, 2 stations ran out. By minute 21, the line had doubled. Guests rushed the remaining stations, plates in hand, lines spilling into the walking area, and the system collapsed. Lesson, balance your stations, not just your menu. This is the exact system we implement for hotels and large-scale events across the UAE. Everything is designed for flow, speed, and reliability. From custom builds to full installations, we handle it all. Planning an event for 300, 500, or more, reach out, WhatsApp, website, or visit our showroom, and comment your guest count and your venue type. I'll show you how I design your buffet. Now you know exactly how to set up a buffet for 500 guests, and the number that controls everything. 6 to 8 stations. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe for more hospitality setup guides.